Okay, the next thing that I want to discuss is multi-user computers. What is multi-user computer? Is a large system that manages a variety of services for businesses and organization. There are different type of a multi-users computer. Uh, Network servers. Okay, what is network server? Network server is a powerful computer with a special software and equipments that enable it to function as the primary computer of a network. Normally, in any organization, they will have a server, okay, that store all the company data. Okay, so that's what is called network server. How about mainframe? Mainframe is a very large and expensive computer that is used where heavy amount of processing and user requests need to be handled. Mainframe computer is usually by banks. If you work for a bank or all insurance company like Allstate, perhaps they may still use their mainframe computer. But nowadays, many organizations are using a network server. Okay, so you have network server, mainframes, and supercomputer. What is supercomputer? Is the largest and most powerful computers in the world that are ideal for handling large and highly complex problems. Supercomputer is used mostly by NASA, okay, or weather station service where they can predict where is the next hurricane or the next drought seasons. So these are usually they usually use a supercomputer. Let me give you some example here. I'm gonna Google it up here. So here you're gonna see a mainframe. Okay, so these are type of a mainframe computer. Not many company now they use mainframe anymore. Okay, in the past many banks and insurance company they use this type of mainframe. It's kind of huge as you can see there. Okay, so this mainframe supercomputer they use by NASA. Okay, so these are supercomputer they use this. Okay, and most of them they just use a network computer, network server, right? They just usually buy a server like this one. Okay, this is the server. You can buy a server like the $5,000 or you can buy the $2,000 one like this one. Okay, many company nowadays they use this kind of server. Okay, it's a network server. Okay, all right, uh, let's go to the next one. Embedded system. What is embedded system? Is a limited computer operating system because they are placed inside the devices that require specific computer function. For example, smart TV, right? Smart TV, they have a wireless network that can connect to a variety of online services like Netflix, Amazon, or Pandora, or game console, right? If you have a game console, all the complete entertainment system offering internet connectivity, movie rental, photo storage, and people can play the video games. Okay, so these are some of an example of embedded system. How about Internet of Things? Internet of Things, that mean devices are embedded system that are connected to internet. Nowadays, people talks a lot about Internet of Things. That mean all of the object that is exists, for example, in the house, they are all connected to the internet. For example, thermostat, right? Let me show it to you what thermostat is. Now you have a thermostat that can be used to network thermos. Now you can purchase this and they connect to the network here. Okay. So before you get home, you can remotely control your thermostat through your phone. Okay, I think the famous one, I forgot what's the name of it, is I think Nest. This one, Nest. Okay, this one. Okay, they're using Wi-Fi. Okay, so like for example, your AC can be connected to the internet. Okay, Your refrigerator, your microwave can be connected to the internet. That is defined as of Internet of Things. That device refer to embedded systems that are connected to the internet. Nowadays, this kind of is a trend words or like a buzzword nowadays that uh, people always mention Internet of Things. That mean most of the objects are connected to the internet. Okay, so it's like home automation. Okay, your AC, your heater, your temperature, your microwave, your refrigerator, your garage, everything can be programmed in a device, okay, that can be controlled. Okay, mobile devices are lightweight and handheld computer that offer a variety of software and communication services for mobile users. Okay, let me show you some example like tablet PC, right? Type of mobile device. Okay, you have a tablet PC, smartphone, right? Wearable technology like smart watches that can work together as a companion to your smartphone, right? For example, like iPhone watch, okay? These are called wearable technology. Safety, okay. Device damages, right? Loss and theft, wireless security, device damages. That means people usually use protective case to prevent cracks on their phone. Loss and theft, people usually use pin or their lock screen, okay? Or sometimes they use a remote wipe. That means, let's say that people lose their iPhone, you can remotely lock using your iCloud. That way, people cannot use the stolen or lost iPhone. You can remotely lock them so that stolen iPhone or lost iPhone become worthless. Okay. Remote wiping. Okay. Wireless security, always use the correct encryption. Let me show you wireless security. You need to use this encryption. Wireless security, you have WPA2 and WPA or WEP. Always try to use the latest one, which is WPA2. These are the strong encryption. Okay. The next thing they talk about courtesy. Always put your phone on vibrate or silent mode when in public or in the company of other individuals, right? Be aware of the volume of your voice. So basically, this slide talks about how to be courteous to others while using your devices, electronic device. Computing in the new ways. What is location-based services? Basically, this is a mobile device that can identify and report your location through the use of GPS. For example, your cell phone. Your cell phone has a GPS. So, in case you get lost somewhere or you are a victim of a crime, the police can detect where the last location of a person from your cell phone devices. Okay, so cell location based services is uh, are mostly used in a mobile device like your smartphone. You can turn off your GPS on your cell phone on your smartphone if you like, but it is not recommended. Okay. Real-time information, everything is real-time now because of the advance of technology and internet. So real-time information, for example, like stock market, right? You can always see what's going on in the New York City stock exchange real-time on your desktop or computer. Crowdsourcing is gathering of information from large group of people. Okay. Nowadays, this is also a buzzword. Let me give you some example of crowdsourcing. I don't know if you heard about this company called GoFundMe. GoFundMe is an example of crowdsourcing. So let's say that you want to donate to somebody, okay? You can post it here or you can donate through here. Okay, this is called crowdsourcing. All right, let me see. NFC is called near field communication. You can use mobile payment, can be completed using a wireless technology called NFC, near field communication. Mobile device now make it easier to send and receive money electronically. Your smartphone has a near field communication, so you can make a mobile payment easily using your smartphone. Okay, social and sharing. Short messages service or SMS or multimedia services, basically the difference is this is a text-based communication and this one you can send as a pictures. Okay. WhatsApp, Skype, I think many of you knows what is WhatsApp and Skype application. This allows you to have a communication. Another one is called FaceTime. Okay. These are various messaging services or communication devices, communication apps. Okay. What else here? Social networking. Many of you, I think, are good in social networking. Is services that make it easy for friends and family to share updates and special event to each other. Streaming media is referring to music and movie that are delivered on demand from an online source, like podcasting when you listen to the news live directly from your computer. These are called streaming. Okay, it's called live on demand. Pandora, here they give you example like Pandora or Spotify. You can stream your movie using Netflix, or you can do a live broadcast as well. Fitness and health. There are some other fitness apps that can help you to keep track on your activity goals for each days. Also, there are some apps, health apps that often used to record and monitor information about your diet and vital signs and medication. You can go to Google Apps or App Store there to find out the different type of apps for fitness and for health. Cloud services, I think I mentioned to you about cloud services before. What is cloud? Cloud storage is basically a service that allow your file to be stored online and accessed from the internet. Example of it is like Dropbox. Let me show you what is Dropbox here. Okay. These are Dropbox. It's called storage devices. I personally use Google, so I use Google Drive. Google Drive. Okay. So these are some of other applications. Okay. So you can use Dropbox or Google Drive. How about cloud collaboration? Cloud collaboration is a tools that allows you to individual to view, edit, and share document online. Let me give you cloud collaboration. It's called WebEx, one of them. WebEx. Okay. This is or GoToMeeting. This is a video conferencing or group messaging system. Okay. Is WebEx. Nowadays, people can use Skype also. Skype allows you, the Skype for business editions allow people to have a video conferencing, but not the personal one. Okay, so this is basically the end of chapter 1. Please read the books carefully and then watch my video lecture on YouTube. Thank you.